Oh, it's okay.
Nancy, look at me.
Okay, cool, Nancy. That's what's up.
They're always looking for a handout. So if you get any
I knew that's why they were coming close, because they think we have food.
Yeah.
I knew it.
Yeah.
I
They
knew
like
it.
They like to be scratched. They're really good.
Oh, okay.
Scratched.
Come on.
My turn first.
Okay. I'm just kidding.
Somebody introduce you.
Hello, Billy
This one here
Goat.
is Bill.
Hi,
This is
Bill.
Ted.
Hi,
This little Rosie
Ted.
down there.
Hi,
He is so
Ted.
funny.
He's
Look at
smiling.
you.
Look at Ted.
DJ's going without one horn. I'm not sure where he's at right now.
Oh, yeah, we saw him. He was over here before.
Oh, okay.
And there's a baby one.
He's still alive. Good.
Oh, look at the... Hi. It's a goat, right? Goat.
Oh, yeah.
It's a goat. Yeah, it's a goat. I was right, baby. It's a goat. How does it feel petting the goat, babe? We are at Therapeutic Horse Ranch, and me and Audrey came to volunteer today. I feel like I can't afford the classes, but
You got enough pets.
we came to help with the taking care of the animals. Look at the chickens. Such a beautiful horse. Oh, she's cleaning under. See, that's the stuff I want to do. But I know you have to learn how to do all of that. You see how calm he sits as she cleans out the shoe, babe? You have to have a calm spirit for that.
I have a crazy spirit.
Ah, yeah, so do I. That's why we have so much energy. People get nervous around us because our energy vortex is so high. Come, baby. Let's explore. Come on. I forgot to change my shoes. Next time we have to change our shoes before we start working. Hey, Sid. Hey, Sid. Hi, Tammy.
Hello.
Hi, Tammy.
You named him Tim? Oh.
No, the names are on the
Ashley.
boards. Look, we're at Horseman's Ranch, and they even have baby horses.
Flash.
This is so beautiful. Horseman Ranch. Therapeutic Horseman Ranch. Yeah, my baby's gonna get a ride. I don't know how I'm gonna get the money to do so, but he's gonna ride. Now it's starting to rain.